Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how I took my hair from this to this. And as a first time beginner, I'm going to show you guys step by step how I did it. So first things first, I started off by washing my hair. I had a lot of product in my hair, like my gel and stuff. I had to make sure I get rid of all of the product in my hair, and I use my Eva Essence shampoo for this method. I make sure to scrub my scalp very well. One thing about trying to use heat or flat iron on your hair is to make sure you don't have any product sitting on your hair. So after shampooing for the first time, I decided to shampoo again for the second time just to make sure that my hair was thoroughly cleansed. So I went ahead with my shampoo for the second time and I shampooed and scrubbed my scalp very well. And after shampooing, I then went ahead with my conditioner. I am also using the Eva Essence conditioner. So I condition my hair before detangling. Detangling is a very important step, so make sure that you detangle your hair very well. One of the easiest way that I detangle my hair is to run water on my hair while detangling. It's always been so easy for me to do this. Once I'm done shampooing and conditioning my hair, this is my hair and this is what it's looking like afterwards. It was so soft and so curly. Like, I love my natural hair so much. So I went ahead and just towed my hair just a little bit before sectioning my hair into 4, so it will be easy for me to blow dry. I am going to apply my heat protectant, and I'm using the argan oil thermal protector for this method. I'm just going to spray a little bit in my palm and then apply it to the section that I'm working with. But also a quick length check. This is how long my hair currently is before this process. This is just the length of my hair. I'm using this hand blow dryer that has the brush on it because it's so convenient and so easy to use. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry this section and also blow dry every other section of my hair. This method was so painless, and I set my temperature on my blow dryer on the coolest one. Now that I'm done blow drying my hair feels so light. I was just like, maybe I should just end it here and just leave it like this because my hair felt so light. I was so in love with it. So I went ahead and sectioned them into even 4 and smaller sections so that I can start with my straightening process. I am using the Time straightener comb for this method. I started from the back section and I cut just a smaller piece of my hair so that the straightener can, really go through it. I also applied more heat protector onto that section before using my Time straightener comb. And man, this comb worked like magic. It was beyond my expectation, I'm not going to lie. I've had this comb since I went natural, but I never used it, and I just can't believe how good it is. So if you're thinking of a good straightener to use, I would recommend getting one of these. So I just repeat the process for every other section of my hair. Apply my heat protectant before applying or using my straightening comb. I did this process or repeated this process until all of my hair was like done. And you can also tell the difference between the side that I just finished and my regular hair. Like, look how different it is. I also add my straightener on the lowest heat. If there's one thing I'm scared of, is heat damage. I have come a long way trying to grow my natural hair, and I'm not gonna let just damage it all of a sudden. So I had my straightener on a very low heat, and every time it went too hot, I just had to stop and just reduce it or had it cool down just a little bit before putting it back on my hair. And just like that, we made it to almost the last session. Like, I was so happy, and I wanted to like frame the front just a little bit, but I don't know how to work this flat iron at all. It just wasn't working for me, so I just did like the bare minimum and then I just left it. But nevertheless, it came out really good. I love how my hair feels. Like, it felt so light, and I definitely felt different. I felt like a whole new person, like a whole new different person. I'm not going to lie, but I love it. Like, I absolutely love my new hair and my new look. Also, let me know what you guys think down below about this. Do you straighten your hair? Do you pull it? Like, how do you guys do it? Like, how? I just want to know. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about it, and let me also know if I did this in the wrong way or if I did this in the right way. I would love to learn because it's my first time. I would love to learn. Just drop your ideas down below, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.